back to an all-new episode of R&D Garage, the unboxing video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I got a whole bunch of card parts for the K-Swap for Christmas. Super excited to open up all those presents and see these lovely boxes, along with a super cool one from 4PISTON. So they didn't gift it to me, my husband did. Anyway, let's get right down to it, huh? So exciting. I hope you guys had the best holiday ever, by the way. I'm just gonna say that now because I'll probably forget. Okay, let's just start in with it. So over on this side, I got a fresh new windage tray. And this was from Honda. Very, very cool. Okay, let's just move over to this guy here because opening up anything 4PISTON under the tree is like super exciting. Okay, so what I got here was an oil pump. And you know, that's just not going to be enough. We're going to have to open this up and actually show you guys the perfection of this pump. And I realize if I drop this, I will be disowned and divorced. Okay, look at this. Come on. Snug for a reason. Look at this gorgeous oil pump. This is amazing. And of course, they stamp it with the 4PISTON. Make sure it's right side up. Very cool. And of course, along with that came all the accessories. Yay! You know we like to accessorize. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in. There we go. I'm not gonna try to shove it in the box because it never goes back in for me. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, shall we start from this side to this side? Let's do it. So here we have, what do we got here? Gear selector springs. And then of course here we have the detent spring. That's right, I've been watching all these Moto IQ videos, and so it's super cool to actually hold these parts in my hand because this is literally what Mike Kojima of Moto IQ recommends. Micah got you. Okay, and this beautiful hoodie. Okay, here we have, of course, the serpentine belt, which I've only done so far in the FJ. And so I'm guessing the Civic's going to be a little bit easier. Well, I mean, at least I won't need like a ladder and standing on. I'm probably going to still need to stand on my tiptoes, but at least I don't need the ladder. Maybe just a step stool. Okay, serpentine belt. And here we have the replacement throttle cable. Vroom, vroom. And then, of course, here we have, which one is this? Oh, the fuel lines. Love hybrid racing. So we've got the gorgeous fuel lines. Snazzy, snazzy. I love these boxes too. Okay. Here we have, oh, the idler bracket and pulley kit. Okay, this is super cool. Another item I do not want to drop. Gorgeous, gorgeous pulley. And assorted hardware. Which, you know, if you've been watching, you always want to replace the hardware when you're putting in brand new parts. So luckily, this came with it. I do not want to clink them together. Okay, I'm just going to set it aside. Ooh, I just clinked them. And now I'm just running the whole table. Okay, so we've got that. Now we've got the swivel neck thermostat. Yes. Look how sick this is. Super cool. I love hybrid racing. Their parts are just amazing. Okay. That. And now we've got, oh yeah, the fuel rail, which I feel bad because I literally have a couple companies wanting to send me a fuel rail. So I've got one, but you never know. I could use a couple spares. I'm at the point where I kind of want to match a lot of the same parts to the car, just so it doesn't get like a little weird, or you know, if something, I don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. So, oh, fuel pressure gauge. Check it out. Very pretty, which I'm sure is what they were going for. And then last but not least, we have the silicone coolant hoses. Woo! Okay, you guys. So basically, this is what I got for the holidays. Super excited about. I'm literally gathering all the rest of the products as we speak. I'm going to be getting the K20 head from Jack Cartel. I'll be calling on Tuesday. And then I believe we are pretty much there. We can start tearing it down. Now, the only thing that sucks, I was about to say living in California. Obviously, there's more than one thing that kind of sucks about living in California. Unfortunately, my car is due for smog in April. And the car should literally be done in April. So this is kind of what I'm up against. Like, do I try to get the car smogged a little bit early, or what do I do? So if you have suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if you have questions about any of this or want to know more about how it works, again, look in the comments or send me something in the comments and I will be happy to explain. So anyway, guys, I hope you have the best holiday season ever. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you back then with my girl and all these parts. Okay, so just one more side note. So obviously I am gonna get the car smogged as is with the original motor in it. It's barred and reffed, the 18C1. Once the new motor is in it, I have my eye on a certain trailering vehicle, which I'm not gonna talk about yet. But basically, once the new motor's in, I'm gonna be trailering it. You guys know that I've driven that car everywhere as far as track days, driven to the track, driven on the track, driven home from the track. And you know, it's probably the reason why, big reason why I didn't do Streets of Willow at all last season is because I would normally do that in the summer and it would be like 104 degrees. And you guys know this girl doesn't have any luxury amenities whatsoever. You want air conditioning? You roll down the window and drive faster. So I am very much looking forward to trailering her next season. So yeah, I'll figure out smog.